I'm fine. No, really. I'm completely fine and sane. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an empties video. Another one, yes, because the goal right now in my closet is to empty out my 3-drawer Sterilite, container. My my Sterilite 3-drawer organizer, and I eventually want to put my crop tops in there, to be honest with you, and just have more closet space because my closet's packed. It is packed to the brim, and I just want to make more room for that and less for beauty products. Hence why we've been trying to use up as much stuff as possible. The only bad thing about that is that I keep buying stuff. More so restocking, because I'm just like a restocker, and I'm a restocker, but I restock on things I love, so if that makes up for anything. No, it doesn't. So let's just get right into this. It's not as big as the last one. It is pretty just mundane. Lush Dirty Spring Wash Shower Gel. I actually really love this a lot, so if I ever go to Lush again, I definitely would repurchase it. I do love Lush's products. I have for years. I love their skincare. It smells kind of like a very menthol mouthwash. Just makes you smell nice and clean, fresh. It's just a very nice, fresh smelling body wash, and I really loved it a lot. Hand sanitizer. I probably have another one in here. This one is Watermelon Lemonade from Bath & Body Works. I recently finished this in my lanyard. I feel like though maybe it's just me, because now I'm getting down to like my fall scents that I bought for my sanitizer holder. It's not fall. It is clearly going to be summer. I've just been really favoring like our plain sanitizer at work, so I might just be using that for the summer. I don't know. We'll repurchase a whole bunch of them once I'm done with what I have now. I have the Creme Shop My Melody Setting and Priming Spray, Oil Absorbing Kaolin Clay, and Brightening Strawberry, and I really love this as a priming spray. It smells so good. I love these so much. Creme Shop product that I've tried that I really like, so if you see it at TJ Maxx, you see it online anywhere, like definitely recommend. I did not rinse her out completely, can you tell? Like that's been my thing, but I just didn't do it because I've been lazy the last few weeks. Limited edition Apple Macchiato Sugar Scrub from Tree Hut. I originally wanted to return this because the scent, I was like, it's not that great. It's actually not too bad. It kind of has like a zesty smell to it, like a musky scent, so if they do ever come out with this again, I definitely would go and get it. If you really like a musky kind of, like, it's not so much, it's like apple, but like it has like a zing to it. I don't know how to describe it. It was okay. I definitely probably wouldn't get it again just because of the scent was like not my favorite. Good scrub irregardless. Lab Dry Shampoo Vitamin E for Scalp Care. I did really like this. This is the supersized bottle. I got it from Walmart. It was okay. It smelled really nice. It did work. It was dry shampoo. I don't know. It worked really well. I was trying to branch out of different dry shampoos than just Batiste, so this was one that I picked up, and she was pretty good, so I definitely would buy her again. It's a 10. Miracle Plus Keratin. I've been using this stuff for years. If you've been here, then you know. I, however, have been doing something to these bottles, which I've mentioned in other videos, that when they get way too low, I just keep adding water and just refilling that, but realizing now that I probably should not be doing that because it's just it's not working as well on my hair. So this was the bottle that I've had for a very long time. I kept getting low and I kept putting water, and I kept getting low and putting water. So we're gonna stop doing that now. It doesn't work as well, obviously. Sometimes I'm fine. I cannot wait to take my Let Me Focus gummies after this pregnancy. That is all. That's fine. Vitamins go, speaking of, we have my Spring Valley Zero Sugar Vitamin D MCG 200 IU. These are what I've been taking all throughout pregnancy, even before I was pregnant, just to help promote, you know, your immune system and bone support, so help my baby grow all his bones. I love these. They taste really good, like they have sugar, but they don't. I don't know, there's this distinct taste difference between the zero sugar and the sugar ones, because I bought the sugar ones for my husband and he really likes those. I had to have a few of those when we were on vacation because I ran out, and it was just, I don't know, there was just something about it. I was like, no, I need my zero sugar. But these are so good. Please don't sell them out. Please don't sell them out. Touchland sanitizer. I love these. This is the one that's usually always in my purse. This one is in Aloe You Scented. Finally used this one up. I did like the scent, but I could use other ones. Like, it wasn't my favorite. Kind of like the mint one to me just smelled like mouthwash, and it was just a very odd situation. Aloe's okay, not my favorite. So this I'm very excited to talk about this time because Vanilla & Co. reached, is it Vanilla Co? Vanilla Co. I keep saying Vanilla & Co. I'm sorry. Vanilla Co. reached out to me to do a video and sent me PR, and if you haven't seen that on my TikTok, oh my god, like I just like freaked the out because I was so excited. This is my favorite cleansing balm. I'm not just saying this for kicks and giggles, but this is the old packaging. They recently made their formula vegan, which is awesome. So this is the old packaging, old formula. They changed the top so it's like a more like milky, cloudy looking top, and I think that the bottle is not as pink. I love this stuff. It is expensive, but it's worth it. I get it on sale. Yes, there are other ones that work very well, but there's just nothing like this one. And again, maybe it's the pink aesthetic that is also grabbing me. So grateful to them for sending me product and for wanting to collab with me. I was like, oh my God, this is so awesome. I finished another Palmer's cocoa butter massage lotion for stretch marks. Love this stuff. This is the second bottle I've used up right now throughout my pregnancy. All I've been using. I do have stretch marks already, and I think that's just from me being bigger in my early 20s, you know, the freshman 15, whatever you want to call it. I feel like my belly is just filling out where it's going to fill out. I feel like this has also really been helping and preventing me from getting more stretch marks, which is very, very important because as you get bigger and as you stretch, you will get stretch marks if you are not like massaging and lotion on or oil or whatever you prefer. I have a Jeffree Star product that I'm done with. The whole packaging is just like disgusting. I've had this for like 6 months in my shower, just like using it sparingly because I'm like, oh my God, it's so good. It really is that good. She really is that girl. I'm just done. This is a very good winter moisturizer. This is the Wyoming Winter Extreme Hydration Body Butter. If you have very dry skin, I highly recommend this. It also kept my skin nice and moisturized throughout the winter time, and for my belly, my arms, my legs. I will say this till the cows come home. You can say whatever you want to say about Jeffree. You really can. Okay, and yes, he's had his moments. He knows how to make a product and he knows how to present it to you. That is all. Don't know if I'd purchase this one again in the future. I probably would want to try like one that's not as extreme hydration. I do like the packaging and it worked very well. Speaking of Jeffree, I have one more product from him. I love this. Again, he knows how to make a product and he knows how to package it and present it to you. Like, here you go. Here's a moisturizer. This is the Jeffree Star Skin Magic Star Hydrating Moisturizer. And I have very combination weird skin, as I've talked about many, many times on my channel. Got it done for me. Oh, it smells so good too. It smells like strawberries. But it didn't leave my face feeling really oily or too dry or anything. It didn't break me out either. It was very, very good. So I definitely will repurchase this in the future once I'm done with all my other moisturizers, because I have a lot of CeraVe and Tula, and I think Kiehl's, and I have a lot that I need to use right now. I really recommend this, seriously. Like, this is a really, really good moisturizer. This and his toner I love so far. I'm not a fan of the cleanser for whatever reason. I don't know, it just wasn't cleansing. Like, I wanted it to cleanse. Oh, and the cleansing balm. His cleansing balm is really good too. Work, this is Vampire Blood. This one's a really good one. And I love that this wasn't like smelling so much like fall, because right now the one I have is pumpkin pecan waffles in my little lanyard, and I'm like, it is the end of May. Why does it smell like fall? Because that's all I got left. Deodorant, we have fresh mistletoe from Native. Literally had this fall out like 5 times, so we are done with it. Smells really nice and fresh. Just in general, if you like a fresh deodorant scent when this comes around again, I would definitely pick up a few of them. Nice, fresh, pure girly that likes fresh scents. She's really good. We did it. Finished her. This is the Good Molecules Wake Up Eye Gel. I've had multiples of these. I love this stuff. It's affordable. Good Molecules is a very good skincare brand. Affordable. Works very well, and it gives you like little kind of directions on the back of when to use it, and it also says like has a little like sun and moon to be like, oh, use this in the morning, oh, use this at night, use it both. Like, I just love this brand so much. Good Molecules, you are doing something. Laura Mercier translucent powder. I will get her again when she's on sale because she's expensive. I love this stuff. It's always really great on my face, and on my under eyes don't crease, and it's not cakey or brushed. Here's a few expired, in my world, expired slash things I don't like. Bad Gal Bang mascara from Benefit. I usually go through mascara monthly now. I just don't want to take that risk. I've had a sty before. I've had pink eye. Like, I'm not playing the game no more. Like, I don't care. Love her. Love her. I feel like her formula is a little too wet for me now, but maybe it's just me. I don't know. Maybe I don't know how to do mascara anymore, because even the mascara I'm using right now from Power 28, formula is very wet, and I feel like I can't get it on in a nice way without it looking like clumpy, or I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Maybe I'm outgrowing some of these formulas. I don't know. I have a couple expired Beauty Blender Bounce Skin Tints. I do love these. People want to shit on Beauty Blender for their shade range, and this, okay, like, it's 2024. Can we get with the program now. Like, let's just move on. But yes, foundation ranges are so important. However, their foundation I feel like didn't get as much love last time, which I love their foundation. Don't know how it is now, but in the old packaging was amazing. And I love their skin tint. It is very, very good. However, these have been very, very expired. Broke my face out a little bit, so hence why these are going in here. I have light 4 and medium 2 for the tan and after the tan. Okay, and last thing in here is something I just don't like these. I've come to the conclusion. The last time I had one of these, it was watermelon scented, and I finished it just because I liked the scent of it and it was there, so I just wanted to finish it up. However, I don't think I like the body scrubs from Creme Shop. I can't. I don't know. Maybe I'm too loyal to my Tree Hut ones, but this was just not it. This is the Creme Shop Hello Kitty Crystal Cleanse Sugar Body Scrub Cocoa Rose Scented. So it has a nice scent to it, but as you guys can see, it looks more like a lotion with like little scrubbies in the bottom. It's giving apricot scrub looking, kind of. If you guys remember the apricot scrub we were all obsessed with. It doesn't look like a scrub to me. It's very much like lotion. Kind of smells like a hotel soap. Like, I don't know. Like, the scent's okay. It's just not for me. Love you, Creme Shop. This is one that I'm not gonna be ever repurchasing in my life. I'm just a very much like, I need the scrub. This is all of my empties for this month. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As I mentioned in my pregnancy update, I'm planning on doing a lot more videos this month to get ready, you know, for baby boy coming. And so I don't know how long I'm gonna be put out for, but I hope not that long, but you know, we'll just be posting when we post. Because baby boy is the most important little thing in the whole wide world. Yes, you are. Be posting more this month and hopefully have some videos scheduled somewhere. I don't know. I'm hoping that this all works out, but every time it just seems to go for me. So I'm going with it as usual. What else can I do? I also just want to say again, thank you guys for sticking with me through everything. If you want to follow me on anything, I haven't even been that active on Instagram. Like, I don't know who I am anymore. I am on TikTok though, so definitely go follow me over there. I post like kind of daily, not really. I'm trying, I don't know. I'll just see where the journey takes us, right? That's all we can do. But I love you guys so much. Hope you have an awesome day. Subscribe. Whoa, hello, what was that? Subscribe if you want to see more of me. Like this video if you enjoyed. Turn on bell notification to know when the I post a new video. And me and baby boy are gonna go relax now because I just filmed a whole bunch of stuff and I'm tired and cleaned and wow, and it's 12 o'clock almost. Crazy. And it's raining on a Memorial Day. Isn't that nice? Isn't it nice? Love you guys. Bye.